Kamusta? At welcome sa ating channel ang Motorsiklo PH. Dito ay mapapanood nyo ang iba't ibang klase ng motor, bagong labas o old model man, presyo at lahat ng kailangan mong malaman kapag bibili ka ng motor. Halina at samahan nyo ako na siyasati ng tampok nating motor ngayon.
Meet the all-new Honda ADV 160 SUV Brown RoadSync 2026. Where adventure style meets everyday practicality. This latest ADV 160 comes with its signature rugged design, but in a bold new SUV brown, tough matte green, and white that stands out on any road. Equipped with Honda RoadSync technology, it keeps you connected with navigation, music, and calls, all right at your fingertips. Powered by a 160cc liquid-cooled, 4-valve engine, it delivers the perfect balance of power, fuel efficiency, and comfort whether in the city or off the beaten path. Practicality is key, with spacious storage, USB charging, and a comfy seat for both rider and passenger. The Honda ADV 160 SUV Brown RoadSync 2026 isn't just a scooter. It's your adventure partner for the everyday ride. Would you ride this new ADV 160? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more motorcycle updates.
Na ay nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito. Kung ganoon ay pakiclick naman ang subscribe button dyan sa ibaba at ishare mo na rin, at ilike. Malaking bagay at tulong na sa ating channel iyon para makagawa pa tayo ng mas marami pang video patungkol sa mga motor. Maraming salamat. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and you will have a blessing tomorrow. God bless, see you on the next motorcycle video.